Most of you are stuck in the daily grind. Shoot, edit, and manually chase those leads, hoping agents remember you next month. It's exhausting. But everything just changed because CubiCasa launched a new marketplace where over 1 million agents are already searching for photographers. Here's the best part. Your profile updates itself automatically every single time you scan a home. You don't have to deal with manual portfolio uploads, constant website tweaks, or begging for attention because agents find you directly on their platform. You just set it up right one time and the system works for you 24/7 without lifting a finger. This is exactly how you get discovered and grow your volume without the constant hustle. My name's Scott Prokop. I've been a professional real estate photographer since 2012, so that's over 14 years in industry. I've tested the tools, built the systems, and learned what actually moves the needle for photographers who want to grow a real estate business. Now let's get into it. First, log into your CubiCasa account, go to Company on the left pane, and click Edit Profile. This is where all the magic happens. You're going to be filling out a form with all the fields that tells agents who you are and what you do. Now, let's walk through each one in order. First up, your company logo. Use your professional logo so agents recognize your brand at a glance. Keep it clean and simple. Nothing too busy. Next is your banner image. This is your first impression, so make it count. Use a killer real estate photo or panoramic skyline that stops agents mid-scroll. Recommended size here is 825 by 272 pixels, and keep it under 1 megabyte. Avoid dark or cluttered images. You want agents seeing quality immediately. Your services description is next. You've got 500 characters. Keep it punchy. Tell them who you are, what you do, and where you work. Something like premium real estate media for your area, professional photography, CubiCasa floor plans, drone imagery, video, and reels, all delivered next day. Specific benefits, clear value, quick turnaround. That's it. That's what I prefer. Simple and to the point. Next, we add your website and your booking URL. Make it frictionless so agents can request a shoot without hunting around. Then we have the operating radius. Be specific about regions you cover. Agents filter by location and they'll skip over you if they're unsure you'll travel. Establishment year is next. Include when you started. Agents respect experience. Saying you've been shooting since 2012 builds immediate trust. Turnaround time. Keep it under 24 hours. 12 to 18 hours is the sweet spot. Never promise more than 24. Realtors love it, homeowners love it, and it's now the industry standard. The next section, recent work section. Show CubiCasa tours only. This carousel updates automatically every time you scan, proving you're active and working now, not years ago. Next, put in your currency for your country. On we go to the services and the starting prices. So be competitive, but don't be cheap. Set this competitively by checking your local photographers and what they charge. This is what agents see first. Services checklist. Check every box that applies. Photography, videography, floor plans, aerials, virtual tours, reels, virtual staging, marketing kits. The more boxes you check off means you show up in more search filters. And make sure you hide services you don't offer. And the final part of the form, contact information, your email, your phone number. Make sure these are current and monitor. Agents need to reach you fast when they're ready to book. Now let's talk about how agents actually find you, because there are two main ways this happens. First, you got the Find the Photographer tab right on the CubiCasa website, where agents search by location and services. Second, and this is the big one, there's an MLS widget out there. Your business shows up inside the actual MLS dashboard used by over 120 partners across the United States. That means more than 1 million agents have eyes on this marketplace. Your profile lives in both spots automatically without lifting a finger. It's passive marketing that just stays there working for you. And CubiCasa just dropped a bunch of updates that make this even more powerful for you. The marketplace interface is now cleaner and way easier for agents to browse. Search is faster and the filters are smarter now too. Agents can sort by price, order volume, and specific services like photography, floor plans, drone, video, and more. So when an agent needs a drone specialist in the area, they filter for it and your profile pops up. That's targeted visibility you didn't have to do anything to earn. Think of the marketplace like a high-speed searchable directory where agents track down pros based on where you work and what you've shot lately. It uses real-time data to show your activity and your coverage area. Agents don't have to hunt anymore. They just type a zip code, your postal code, your city, and boom, your business pops up right in front of them. Here's something most photographers completely miss: the SEO backlink advantage. A backlink is just a high authority website like CubiCasa linking to your own website. Google sees it as a massive vote of confidence for your business. When your site has higher authority, you rank much better in the search results. So when a local agent searches real estate photographer near me, you're going to show up higher on the list. This is free SEO juice that you usually have to pay an agency thousands of dollars to get. Now let's talk about Preferred Photographer Pro plan, because this is where the real game changer happens. You get much faster delivery, 2D floor plans come back in 12 hours instead of 24. That means you can offer next day delivery every time to every single client. You also stop paying those annoying oversized fees on your 2D plans. Shoot a 10,000 square foot mansion and there's no extra processing charges eating into your profit. On top of that, you get a 60% discount on 3D oversized fees and 25% discount on every add-on you order. Everything just costs less money. When you sign up, you get one free 3D plan with a video render as a day one bonus. You can use it immediately. You also get a ranking advantage in the marketplace. Pro photographers show up higher in agent searches with a special badge that says upgraded floor plan always included. Agents see that badge and know they're getting more value from you. You're also getting premium support to get your questions answered fast. Plus, unlimited free change requests on your floor plans. If client wants the stairs moved or a wall adjusted, you just send in a revision. That's free, no limit. You even get early access to new features, so you can try out the new products before your competition. The Pro plan is available now, and it's in 23 countries as I record this, and it keeps growing, including the US, Canada, and across Europe. The benefits are the same no matter where you are. You're getting the speed, the waived fees, the discounts, and a top-tier marketplace ranking everywhere. Preferred pros get direct contact forms on their profile. Agents can request a shoot right there without hunting for your website. That keeps the lead hot and makes it easy for you to be hired by them. So here's the bottom line. Setting up your profile takes about 20 minutes and it costs nothing to join the marketplace. Moving up to the Pro plan unlocks big discounts, higher visibility, and lets your profile do marketing while you're out shooting. Every time you scan a house, it automatically updates your recent work and your service area, so your profile stays fresh and active. So get your profile dialed in today. Update those form fields, add your branding, and start getting discovered automatically by agents searching exactly what you offer. The marketplace is live right now and waiting for you. So subscribe and stay on top of the latest features for growing your photography business. Check out the links below in my description for more details about this plan and links to other products I support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.